the highest rainfall in the past 24 hours was recorded in Galle with a recording of 165.1 millimeters. The Department of Meteorology says that a rainfall reading 163.7 millimeters was recorded in Galle, while a reading of 114.6 millimeters was recorded in the Talagahawatta area. The southern province is under immense threat owing to the adverse weather conditions. Heavy damages were inflicted on a house in Galle, Anugalaha, after a mound of earth had collapsed onto it. The disaster was captured on a mobile phone of the owner of the house. Our correspondent said that no casualties were reported following the incident. Meanwhile, 5 houses were damaged in Imadua following an earth slip. The mountains in Batagoda Imadua is now under an imminent threat of a possible landslide. Meanwhile, vehicular movement along the Imadua-Akurasa main road was restricted following a landslide along the Imadua-Akurasa main road. The Alapalaha junction in the Galle-Dikumbura road has been inundated owing to the rains. The Disaster Management Centre says that the water levels of the Gin and Nilvala rivers are rising rapidly due to the incessant rains. A correspondent said that the water levels were at 4.2 meters by 7 a.m. today. The Badegama-Nagoda road and the Badegama-Adahalia main road have been flooded. A correspondent said that the low-lying areas located on either side of the Gin River have been flooded. The 3-story houses located in Yakkala Vidiyavatta area along the Colombo-Kendi main road has collapsed. A correspondent said that a shop which was built on the first floor of the building was declared open yesterday. The building had collapsed at 12 last night. No casualties have been reported.
How do you look at it? පිළිබඳව මාධ්‍ය සභාවේ දැනුම් දීලා